welcome back to another lesson. In this one we're going to be looking at our first live tune, I Alone, which is kind of their teen spirit, right? But we're going to start with that one. There are more to come. I'm already working out a few of them. It's off the Throwing Copper album, which I love. Now you're probably thinking, what a sick t-shirt. Where on earth did you get that from? Well, I bought it from my mates at the Grunge Bible, obviously. Grunge Bible is an Instagram channel and a podcast as well, run by Chris and Ethan. I've spoken to Chris a fair bit, and they featured some of my videos over on their Instagram channel, which I massively appreciate it. So I went and bought a t-shirt to show my love and appreciation, and I would suggest you do the same, and at least go and give them a follow over at Instagram, if nothing else, and check out their podcast. Anyway, on with the tune. Quick note on tuning: you're going to need to tune your entire guitar down half a step if you want to play along with the album. That's what they did, so that's what we're doing, because I'm going to assume that you want to play along with the album too. So let's get and learn some notes, shall we? So riff number 1 goes like this. That's it. Nice and simple, right? 3 chords. Low part of a G major. Then you're going to play 2 power chords. That's the D, 5th fret on the A string, to the C. But the B and the E string are open, okay? And then you do a bit of strummy stuff. So, that's the overarching rhythm. And then you've got some incidental stuff. So it's a G, cover all the strings, whack, and then up to the D. And you play 1, 2, whack. Then you move down to the C. So that first part again. Again. That's the first bar. Second bar goes. Another 2 whacks at the end of that. So slowly. That strummy bit is just okay, so it's down, up, 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 down, up, and then 2 whacks. So this probably sounds a bit weirder when you play it slow, to be honest, but let me go through the whole part again. Okay. Hopefully that makes sense. Then you're going to go to a B power chord. And then into the chorus. So that little part is just for 4 beats, right? 1 bar, and then you play 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, change. Down, down, down. Or you could go to the open G there. And then you're into the chorus, which goes. And then round again, right? So that is down, down, up, down, up. Then to the B, G, and then round. Let me play it cleanly so you can hear the strumming pattern. That's it, and you repeat that around. So the first part you play 3 times, which is E to B to G. So that slowly. Alright, and then the last part is just an A chord with a sus4 to A. So the strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, change again, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Alright, and just play that around 3 times. When you go to the A, it's down, down, up 3 times. And then you're going to pull off the 3rd fret to the 2nd fret on the B string. And let the chord ring out. And round again. There's only one other bit actually, which is a B chord. That's it, it's just a B chord. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And if you want to get it bang on, you just put in an open E note, top E string, after like just over 1.5 bars. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed that one. Thanks very much indeed for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Cheers, bye bye.